My name is Rasberry. I'm Wikimedian-in-Residence here at the University of Virginia School of Data Science. I was working in clinical research, and so I was dealing with patients who were participating in medical studies, and they needed information about the kind of research that was happening. This is part of the informed consent process. This was in the 2000s, and not everyone in the world was completely committed to the internet and what that would be at that time. And I came to believe that many people, when they were searching for the names of drugs, diseases, medical conditions, these kind of things, that they were like me. They would type them into a search engine, and the search engine would direct them to Wikipedia. And so while I was part of this clinical research as a hobby and not part of my job, I started editing Wikipedia articles that were relevant to the kind of research that we were doing. So I was editing Wikipedia on my own, and then in 2012, and I just give the year, just as a benchmark to say when organizations started thinking about doing this, an organization contacted me and asked me to edit Wikipedia professionally for them as a full-time job, actually. So I got offered this Wikipedia job, and I thought, what do you know? What's this weird thing? People can get hired to do internet jobs. I thought it was kind of funny, so I took the job. As it turned out, I was a big Wikipedia fan. This was my hobby, and I fit right into this role. This was for a nonprofit media organization, consumer organization, a magazine, Consumer Reports. So for 2012 to 2018, what is that, 6 years? I was working at Consumer Reports as their Wikimedian. When this unusual thing happened at the University of Virginia, a school of data science was to be formed, and they wanted to focus on collecting, acquiring, curating academic and general reference data sets of all sort. Well, how could I say no? Traditionally, a university, they would share their information mostly by publishing paper library books and publishing articles in journals. But in this digital age, people are searching for information in new ways, and universities are always looking for the most efficient, lowest cost way to deliver information to people who are searching for it. So what I do is I take information from researchers at this university, I either integrate it into the Wikipedia platform, or I assist them in integrating it. And I'm also managing the meters and the observational suite about the audience, so that I can tell how many people are reading this content, which came from the university within the context of the Wikipedia articles. And also I get other metrics, like how many people edited the content after someone from this university put it in. Did anyone object to it? How long did it stay in the article? Did it start a conversation? So the Wikipedia platform offers a range of communication metrics, which anyone can pull from it and use that to describe and tell a story about how people have interacted with the information and expertise that any organization has contributed to it. So this is what I do.